We'll guide you through how to use Google Maps for beginners. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Google Maps. Google Maps is a great app. It's a Maps app made by Google. You can get it as an app. You can also go and use it on a website as well. A lot of you may think that it's a navigation app, but also on there you can go and easily go and find places you could go and visit, check the reviews and go and find more information about them. So it's got some great different things you can go and use it for. So without any further ado, let's get started. Do just make sure you watch this entire video so you don't go miss anything, as we're covering lots of different things within this guide. So let's go and dive straight into this. So at the top, you could go and search. So you can go and press search here. So what you can do is go and search for something specific. So you go and search for a specific restaurant, shop, or place you're trying to go to. But you could also go and search something more broad. So you could just go and type in something like petrol stations. And then what you can do is go and type in petrol pump, and it's then going to go and find you pumps. What you can do is go and click on it, and it's then going to take you to that specific one. And then what you can do here is you could go and press directions, and you can go and find out how you're going to get there. So you could go and press directions like so. Whether you want to drive, go and use transport, walk, bike, and you can even go and click here and you can go and see taxi services as well. But what you can also do is go and find some contact details by pressing call. You can go and save it so you can access it again in the future, share it, visit the website, and there's some other options as well. You can go and see some photos about it, check the overview, reviews, photos, updates, and more information about it. And you can go and see the popular times as well, because in some cases you may want to go when it's quiet, so you don't have to go and queue. So you go and get the idea. And so along the top here, you can quickly go and access restaurants, coffee, clothing, shopping, and you can scroll along there and see more options. You can go and search with the mic and go and use Google Lens as well. You can go and sign in with your Google account, and you can tap in the top right here and you can go and see some different options. So you can go and check out your profile. For example, if you leave reviews and things like that, go and see your timeline, share location through Google Maps, which is really useful, and see others who share their location with you. You can go and save maps offline in case you don't have service. You can come in here and you can go and see I've got a downloaded map here as well. But you can go and press select your own map and go and select an area for what you want to go and download. So that's really useful. And yeah, you can go through here and you can go and see your data, access your settings if there are different things you want to go and change about it. For example, you could come into your vehicles, but also like navigation, and you can go and choose your different things here as well, which is really useful. Now, what you can also do is you can come just below your profile picture icon and see this layers button and tap there, and you can go and choose the map type. So you've got default, which is like how it is here, satellite and terrain. And you can also go and choose the different details. For example, whether you want to have public transport, traffic, cycling, street view, air quality, wildfires, and raised buildings. So you can go and switch that depending upon what you're currently doing. For example, if you're trying to go and drive, you may be more interested in traffic. If you're trying to use public transport, you may want to go and use that. So you go and get the idea there. Then you can come to the bottom right and press that arrow, and that'll take you to exactly where you are. And then you've got the directions here, which is useful. So you can tap there, and then you can go and choose the destination. So I can go and tap here, and let's go and say I want to go to London. That's going to be quite broad. So you probably want to be a bit more specific. Like I could choose the airport, but I could go and tap there like so. And then what's going to happen is it's going to go and give you the route, or it's actually asking me for a bit more specific. So I'll just press here, and then it's going to go and give me the route, as you can see. So what you can then do is, once again, I showed this earlier, you can go and choose how you want to go and do it, and you can add stops as well. But what we can do is go and press start. Let me just go and zoom out a bit like so, just go and hide my location. And what you can do is you can go and press the compass icon. You can use the search, and what I really like is this sound option. So you can tap here and choose if it goes and speaks to you, and you can add hazards in the bottom right as well. If you then go and look at the bottom, you've got you, so you can go and tap there. Here you can go and see lists, and I'll cover that a bit more in a moment. And you can also go and contribute yourself in the bottom right as well. So you can go and add places, add reviews, add photos, update a road, update an address, which is really useful. Now, what I want to go and show you is dropping a pin. So what you can do is you can go somewhere. I can go in here, for example, and I can go and tap and hold a pin to drop a pin. You can go and see it says drop pin. Then what you can do is get directions there. You can start the journey there, press save, and this is where we can go and add it to a list. So I could go and add it to want to go, for example, and then you can go and press done. And that's then going to go and put a mark on it, which is really useful. So you can easily find it again. You can add a label if you want. You can share it, or you can download the offline map, and there are more options as well. So lots of things you can do. And of course, you can scroll down and find places nearby as well. So that is it. That is how you can go and use Google Maps. That's a good run through. And hopefully now you have a good idea as a beginner how you can go and use it and the different features it's got. You can really use it for so many different things, navigation, but also sort of finding out a bit more about places you want to go, find reviews. But yeah, really useful. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.